The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grande.
We are stabilizing at significantly higher levels. However, I do want to emphasize that volatility explosion earlier this month, I think truly will not happen again this year.
We're seeing more volatility than we've ever seen. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. And good afternoon. Larry Kudlow. Looks like, Larry Kudlow, the cheerleader. If you remember, he was a partner with Jim Cramer when they first started on CNBC together. Then they broke up, and Larry got his own show, and Larry got his show, and Cramer got his show. And then finally, they had to get rid of Larry Kudlow because he was just too much of a cheerleader, and they had so many people, especially mom and pop type of investors, losing money left and right because all he would do is cheerlead, and he just damaged so many people. He would never tell the truth. I mean, he didn't even know when he was lying. He just is this kind of personality that he's just going to go out there and he's just a cheerleading guy. He came up with, he came up with the term green shoots. He came up with the term Goldilocks economy. I remember when the housing market started to collapse, and we saw tremendous evidence of it. Tremendous evidence. And he gets on his show and he says, it's not collapsing. I don't see anywhere it's collapsing. And it was collapsing all around us. But he keeps blinders on. He did a terrible job when he worked for Reagan. He was with Reagan for about, I think, 4 years. And he did a terrible job for him. I forget what his title was then. I'll look it up. But he was a cheerleader back then. He was the he was part of the Office of Management and Budget during Reagan administration. And they had problems with him back there. This is going to be a disaster. This is not the kind of person that Trump needs. I mean, Cohen was bad enough. Cohen comes over as a Wall Streeter, as a bankster, if you will, and he comes in and he only cares about Wall Street, only cares about the banks, he only cares about the 1 percentile. Larry is no different, but we're going from the fire, or we're jumping out of the frying pan into the fire by bringing Kudlow in. It was bad enough. The information that Trump was getting from Cohen was so bad, like the information he got about the tax cuts. He told the president that they would not do stock buybacks anymore. If we just stop, what we would do is do a favor to all the corporations, and we would collect over $1.4 trillion less in tax revenues from them. So they'd have that $1.4 trillion sitting in their checking account. And they would go out and invest it, buy new machinery, buy equipment. And then with new machinery and equipment, that increases productivity. With productivity increasing per hour per worker, then wages increase. Then a person's standard of living increases. Then our growth in our country, our economy increases. Well, that was a total lie. Total lie. Didn't happen. So we've gone from a guy who went to giving terrible information to the president, terrible advice about doing these tax cuts, and now are going to just kill us. These tax cuts, now we have to make up for these tax cuts. We are short $1.4 trillion in our checking account. And when we go to print that money or borrow or a combination of both, our dollar is going to get killed. And when our dollar gets weaker, that's associated with a weak economy. That means you're going to be paying more for all the goods that we import. You're not going to have any money left over for durable goods. And durable goods are those goods like TVs, big ticket items, appliances, anything lasts over 5 years. And those goods, those items, durable goods, those are bought with money, disposable income, meaning money that people have left after paying all their bills. And they say, oh, look at this, honey, we got an extra $1,200 in our savings account. Let's go buy some appliances. Well, that $1,200 wiped out now. Nobody has that $1,200 in there anymore. And how do we know that? Because the durable goods number came out last week. And durable goods numbers was terrible, falling off a cliff. And the durable goods number, the big ticket items, that identifies, looking forward, what we can look forward to as an economy. Is it growing? And the answer is no. And then 2 weeks ago, the Federal Reserve came out, or the Atlanta Fed came out and said, oh, we made a mistake. Yeah, we and Larry Kudlow made a mistake.
We could grow this economy at 4 or 5%.
And Atlanta Fed said they thought be 5.6%. They're right in Larry's camp. Then what happens 2 weeks ago? They came out and said, yep, we made a mistake. Larry and I, we made a mistake. The economy's only going to grow to 2.6%. Wow, what a drop. But wait a minute, hold on. What happened today? They came back out and revised it down again. They revised it down today from 2.6 to 2. We have no growth. We have no growth in this country. You could have all the green spouts and all the Goldilocks and all the lying you want. Hey, listen to this. This is unbelievable.
We're looking for what I call...
This goes back when Larry Kudlow and this is Kramer had their own show on CNBC. Listen to this nonsense.
We're looking for what I call secular growth at all times, just looking for great growth. I'm holding up a chart right now, which you can't see, of course, because I hand drew it. But it's just an arrow going straight up, and it's the U.S. population growth. What people don't understand, St. Louis Fed put out some numbers today. 280 million in 2000, 293 million now. That's why Hovnanian reported a great quarter. That's why Lennar reported a great quarter. Toll Brothers, stop shorting the home builders. They've got secular growth on their side, and it's the population growth of the United States.
Yeah, the bears in that sector have never understood the positive demographics. We've heard CEOs say that.
Right,
but
they come on and they say it, but they don't, yeah.
By the way, I just want to say, Jim's chart is accurate, even though you couldn't see it. It moves from the lower left quadrant.
So, Larry Kudlow, oh yeah, people don't get it. Yeah, no one gets it. We got this great growth. Building is just fantastic. Building homes. We have tremendous population growth. That's what they're trying to say. We have tremendous population growth. Therefore, anybody who is saying the housing market's going to blow up, going to implode, they just don't know what they're talking about. This is what Larry Kudlow said. They don't know what they're talking about, really. And then we had that other dope goes out to Sun Valley. Bernanke, and he's out there and saying, they asked, well, what do you think about the housing? Just at the same time. Oh, no, housing not in this country. We'll never see low prices on housing. We'll never see, he said, we'll never see a housing crash. We'll always see good prices on housing. Maybe they go down a little bit. Well, we'll never see a housing crash. So you got Bernanke saying that. You got Larry Kudlow on saying that the population growth is too big. People always have to buy houses. Not going to be in a crash. And it crashed. And this is the guy now that is going to have the ear of the most important man in the world, Larry Kudlow. What are you, nuts? You got to be taking crazy pills.
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills.
You got to be kidding.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. You know, I always talk about my color-coded chart, the MV2, which is a buy and sell signal chart. Boy, was it accurate. On February 14th, we got such a strong buy signal on Micron Technology, it was incredible. We purchased it. Here we are, March 13th. It's up over 40%, and only now do I hear other financial shows talking about getting into Micron Technology.
Everybody's long Micron.
One of the stocks we really liked is Micron.
Their earnings have been much stronger.
Micron to the upside.
Micron really is one that I'm looking to outperform.
A little late, I'd say. That's why, again, join my gang, Phil's gang, and take advantage of my MV2 color-coded chart, which gives you accurate buy and sell signals, which give you a good night's sleep. For more information on my MV2 color-coded chart or the Phil's Gang, call 877-600-GANG or go to philsgang.com.
Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. PhilsGang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. PhilsGang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know what the biggest problem with the stock market and why people stay out of the market? Because they don't know when to get out. Well, those days are over. I have a new system. It's called the MV2 Video Stock System. I choose one stock. You follow that video, do exactly what I tell you. I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you add on, you add on. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you do.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Listen to what people are saying about philsgang.com.
I am up 5% right now, closer to 6%.
I've been with you for about a month and a half now, and I'm already up 7%.
I have never made so much money in the stock market.
I'm up $28,000 since November.
No matter if the markets are up or down, Phil Grandy and the Phil's Gang team put you on the path to making profits in the stock market.
This is Deb from Sarasota.
This is Bill from Miami, Florida.
This is Cora from Hawaii.
Hey, this is Paul from Tampa Bay area. I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
I would recommend Phil and Phil's Gang to anyone.
Join thousands of investors and start making profits in the stock market. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or sign up at philsgang.com. Again, 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's philsgang.com. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been extremely happy with everything that they've done.
You have all the tools necessary to become a successful trader.
Phil's Gang is like having a pro by your side all day long.
I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
It is truly a great value for what it offers.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Welcome back to Kudlow and Company. On this evening program, Goldilocks still rules, in my view. It's a terrific time. There is no recession. There is no inflation. Energy prices are coming down. King dollar is nice and hefty and strong. All that's a good sign. Businesses are investing. All I'm saying is the fundamentals look fine.
And within 6 months, the stock market crashed. Within 6 months of him saying that, the stock market crashed, the worst crash ever. And this is the man, Larry Kudlow. He's going to have the ear of the most important man in the world. Remember what his job is, what Cohen's job was. You are the gatekeeper of all information. Your whole staff all around the world sends you information as to what is going on in the economy. And the president has to make decisions based on that information, what is going on in the economy. When you have a man who wears blinders, where everything looks terrific, because he wants everything to look terrific. Imagine, and he's the one that's going to be telling the president, interpreting all this information, this data that's sent to him. He's going to be giving the president his interpretation. You talking about danger. Oh, my God. Stockman worked for Larry Kudlow. I'm sorry. Kudlow worked for Stockman. Here's David Stockman.
Larry is an incorrigible Wall Street cheerleader.
Boy, is he. Is he ever. Wow. We might as well move the White House now over to Wall Street. This is unbelievable. I just can't get over it. But all right. Can't cry about it. No, all we can do is just make money. So all we can do is make money. Thank God that we have a place to go to make money. That's the beautiful thing about the stock market. It's so wonderful. You got a place to go to make money. You're retired, you need extra money, go to the stock market. No, I'm not saying go to your planner. I'm not saying go to your broker.
You're fine. You don't pay attention to the value of your house every day. Don't pay attention to your portfolio every day. Have a good, sound plan so you can go on and enjoy life.
That's the guy you don't go to. There's a guy you don't go to. Are you kidding me? Or the financial advisors who they built a $27 billion industry, and they advise you right into the poorhouse. So when you get ready to retire and you sit down with your planner, the first thing they say, how many cars you got? 2. Get rid of 1. How many times you go out to dinner every month? Oh, we go out once a week. No, only once a month. Can you imagine you have a planner for all these years, and then when you retire, he tells you can't keep 2 cars, you got to have 1. You can't go out to dinner every Saturday night. You only go out 1 night a month. And you sit there and pay this dope, these planners. They should be in jail. They plan is to take your money. That's what they plan. This is crazy what's going on. So let's go make some money. That's all we can do. We have to. And thank God I came up with charting. Look, I've been doing this business for a very, very long time, over 45 years. Been on this earth for over 72 years. I've seen it all in this market. I've seen the Larry Kudlows. I've seen them all. I've seen all these guys on CNBC. I've seen all these guys who come and go on this show here where they guarantee you 20% returns.
Predictions. Look, I love Elon Musk and Tesla, but I own Ford. I think with a 5.4% yield, it's up 20% in a year.
Coffee consumption and coffee prices are both going up by Smucker's, SJM, who owns a lot of coffee companies, up 30% in a year.
Yeah, but what did I say when they're all telling every up 20, up 30, up 20? What did I say on January 16th? The opposite. All the weaknesses that are underneath this market that nobody wants to talk about, I believe are going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February. That's right, January 16th. Well, these guys are telling you everything in the world is going to go up 20%. Where Larry Kudlow tells you everything is fantastic. Goldilocks. It's just unbelievable. So here's what we do. The stock market's a wonderful place because with a click of a mouse, first of all, there's plenty of liquidity in the market. What's that mean? You go to a market that has liquidity, which means there's a lot of money there. You can sell anything that you buy. It's kind of like if you go to a market, a flea market, if nobody shows up, you can't sell anything, right? If it's raining, a damp cold day, and nobody shows up to the flea market, you can't sell hardly anything. Because there's no liquidity at the market, not enough people. Go to a boat show. You're selling boats, right? Nobody's there. It means there's no liquidity. You can't sell your boat to anybody. But the stock market always has liquidity. So when you buy a stock and you think you made a mistake, with a click of a mouse, you are out. With a click of a mouse, you're gone. You got your money back. Can you do that with your car? If you buy a car and you're disappointed and you want to sell it, what happens? You can't find a buyer. You got to put in a paper. You're trying to find a buyer. You can't do it. You can't. How about your house? How about your house? But a stock, you can. That's what's beautiful. So, for example, all you need is to know, anybody can get you in a stock. When do I get out? When do I get out? So we had a couple wonderful stocks that I've been giving now to my video stock group. These are people who don't want to learn. Not that they don't want to learn. They don't have time to learn, I should say. They're busy, busy people. Their lives are busy. Their lives are busy. They don't have time to sit down in a class. They don't have time to go to my videos. They don't audios and all that. They don't have time to go to all the classes that I record on video. They don't have that. But here's what they got time to do. They got time to go to my site and take 30 seconds and follow one or two stocks and do exactly what I tell them to do. And at the end of the month, they should at least have a 10% return. More on that when we come back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. You know, I always talk about my color-coded chart, the MV2, which is a buy and sell signal chart. Boy, was it accurate. On February 14th, we got such a strong buy signal on Micron Technology. It was incredible. We purchased it. Here we are, March 13th. It's up over 40%. And only now do I hear other financial shows talking about getting into Micron Technology.
Everybody's long Micron.
One of the stocks we really liked is Micron.
Their earnings have been much stronger.
Micron to the upside. Micron really is one that I'm looking to outperform.
A little late, I'd say. That's why, again, join my gang, Phil's gang, and take advantage of my MV2 color-coded chart, which gives you accurate buy and sell signals, which give you a good night's sleep. For more information on my MV2 color-coded chart or the Phil's Gang, call 877-600-GANG or go to philsgang.com.
Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who's also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with the prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passionate desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com, philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up-to-the-minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Every single one of his medical bills, everything is just all taken care of.
We have phenomenal research, outstanding clinical care, and the generosity of public, which allow us to treat patients regardless of what it takes.
At St. Jude, families never receive a bill for treatment, travel, housing, or food, because the only thing a family should worry about is helping their child live.
Because of you.
Gracias a ti. Because of you.
There is St. Jude.
philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. We were talking about the stock market, and the good thing about the market, it has a lot of liquidity, so if you get in and make a mistake, you can get out quickly. Give you an example. When I do my video stocks, these are for the folks who just are really busy, working hard, don't have time, but they want to make money. They know they're not going to live on Social Security. They know from their 401k the fees are so expensive, it's impossible to make any kind of money with a 401k. When you retire, you're going to find out almost half of your money is gone in fees. They stole from you. It's unbelievable. 401k is such a racket. So I did this program because they say I've been around a long time. And I know all people want is they just don't want to lose money. They just want to be treated fair. They just want to have a shot at the thing, that's all. but they never get a shot. They never get a fair shot because the market is not designed to give a fair shot to mom and pop. No, it's all designed for the very wealthy. 83% of stock market rallies, the profits, when the market goes up $6 trillion, when it goes up $6 trillion in 1 year, where'd that money go? Did you get an envelope in the mail? If you're making $75,000, $50,000 to $75,000, you got 4 kids, did you get an envelope in the mail that you got some of that? Say, congratulations. The corporations made $6 trillion this year, and here's your portion? No. Where does this money all go? It goes to the very few. 83% of it goes to the 1 percentile. 1 percentile. Terrible. So, what do you do? Well, for example, I gave a stock the other day. And I said, I think there's going to be an opportunity here. And the stock is RCC. Now, ACC. And now it's on my video. I tell you, okay, remember, during the day, 3 times during the day, you get my video. You just go to my site, open it up, go to philsgang.com, open up the video. Takes you no more than 30 seconds. And just follow the instruction. Just like if you got a video on how to cook or how to bake a cake, same thing. 30 seconds. I tell you, okay, like I did then, let's buy it here. Now we're at $38.13. And I show them, I say, okay, right now we should not add to our position. Do not add to your position. In fact, I say, what I want you to do, if you've got profits, I want you to take most of your profits off right now. Just keep a few shares on. Otherwise, if you want to keep your profits on, then put a stop under $37.37. So it's at $38.16. Put a stop at, let's say, $37.19. So I tell them that if the stock drops to $37.19, they know exactly what their risk is. They know exactly how much money they're going to lose. Every stock you buy is a business. Think of a stock. Every individual stock is a business, like owning an individual business. It's a profit center. Don't you want to know what you're going to get for your risk, the risk to reward? Well, that's the beautiful thing. So I point out here, I think we're going to get a 10% return. Here's your stock today at $38.16. I think we should take some profits off because I see money coming out. And why don't we put a stop under $37.19? So if it drops from $38.16 and drops down to $37.19, you're kicked out automatically, and you're going to lose $150. So our risk is to lose $150 to make $1,000. Isn't that pretty good risk to reward? But the important thing is you know what your risk is to make $1,000. Do these planners, do these financial advisors tell you that?
What's a financial advisor?
That is a term that means almost nothing. It is somebody who might be a financial planner, or it could be a broker.
No, he's just a dope. Such a dope, he steals your money. But isn't it nice to know exactly what your risk is going to be? And that's what we do. Give you another stock. We had a stock, Micron Technology, one of our best stocks so far this year. Micron Technology is up 48%. 48%. My chart, my MV2 color coded chart, identified when the institutions were putting their money in. This is a chart that I designed after all my years in business. I finally came up with a chart that gives me a great buy signal. And it said, buy here. So we bought it, and then she shot up to around $63.67. That's about 43%, I think it is. But I was able to give them instructions and say, look, take profits today. Take profits yesterday. If they listened to my video and did exactly what I said, and this has pulled back now from 63.67 down to 57.18, they're fine. Because they knew exactly what their risk was. So you're not on your own. All you got to do is when you buy the stock, it pulled back 10%. In my gang, my members who play the video stock, they have their instruction in that video to take their profits before that happened. And then it happened. After they took their profits, then I'll tell them when to get in. There's nothing like that out there. As I say, I see these commercials, how we're going to be in your town over the weekend, and we want you to come to a seminar, and you're going to learn how to trade stocks. And they show this big boat, 30-foot boat, and this guy's on it. He's got 6 girls around him. They're all drinking champagne. This is how much money I made trading. Then they got another guy out there sitting here with his wife on his patio, sunset going down, Bambi the deer jumping over the creek, having their cocktails. We've made a lot of money this week in the stock market. We went to a seminar. Are you nuts? It doesn't happen that way. It doesn't happen that way. But the beautiful thing about the market, though, is you can make money if someone's giving you the instructions that are valid. And that's what I do. I give you valid instructions. Anybody can do this. It's just like making a pie, and the guy says, now put 2 cups of sugar in. I say, instead of 2 cups of sugar, I say, buy 50 more shares. Put 50 more shares in. Just follow my instructions, okay? All right, so here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Try it. Just try it for a month. And if you're not making money and not having fun, you got to have fun. We have a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun. You know, I always tell my gang, you know when you're making money? When you're bored to death. When you're bored, you're in the stock market and you're bored, you know everything is going perfect for you. That you got the best instructions, got everything under control when you're bored. And it's got to be fun, and it is. So all I ask is please donate to St. Jude if you start making some money. Okay, I want to get back to you know what's crazy is when you hear all these cuts like this.
Good vibrations on the economy.
You hear?
I see a consumer out there that's becoming extraordinarily confident enough to go out there and start to spend money.
When he is on TV and he comes on at 8, they should put at 8:30 on the labor number. You're going to sit there and you're going to say, "Well, yeah, that's you bet," because that's how Larry is.
Yeah.
You feel like agreeing with him even if you don't.
What did he say? Yeah, you're going to say, "Yeah, you bet." When he's on TV, yeah, you bet, you bet. Wow, Jim, can you kind of slow it down? Explain to me again what you said.
When he is on TV and he comes on at 8, they should put at 8:30 on the labor number.
Yeah.
You're going to sit there and you're going to say, "Well, yeah, that's you bet."
Well, yeah, Badger, you bet. I don't think we're going to say that. Oh, my God. Unbelievable. So, we got a problem with these guys on TV. They're giving us wrong information every day. Wrong information. If things are as good as them, then how come we just got a terrible, we got terrible data today that the economic GDP growth is dropping, not going up. Retail sales have dropped for 2 straight months, not going up. What's going on here? I'll explain when I get back, and I got another good stock for you.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. You know, I always talk about my color-coded chart, the MV2, which is a buy and sell signal chart. Boy, was it accurate. On February 14th, we got such a strong buy signal on Micron Technology, it was incredible. We purchased it. Here we are, March 13th. It's up over 40%, and only now do I hear other financial shows talking about getting into Micron Technology.
Everybody's long Micron.
One of the stocks we really liked is Micron.
Their earnings have been much stronger.
Micron to the upside.
Micron really is one that I'm looking to outperform.
A little late, I'd say. That's why, again, join my gang, Phil's gang, and take advantage of my MV2 color-coded chart, which gives you accurate buy and sell signals, which give you a good night's sleep. For more information on my MV2 color-coded chart or the Phil's Gang, call 877-600-GANG or go to philsgang.com.
Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil'sGang.com. What are people saying?
I've been extremely happy with everything that they've done.
You have all the tools necessary to become a successful trader.
Phil's Gang is like having a pro by your side all day long.
I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
It is truly a great value for what it offers.
Find out more at Phil'sGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At Phil'sGang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, Phil'sGang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and Phil'sGang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at Phil'sGang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to Phil'sGang.com. That's Phil'sGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let Phil'sGang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at Phil'sGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil'sGang.com. Listen to what people are saying about Phil'sGang.com.
I am up 5% right now, closer to 6%.
I've been with you for about a month and a half now, and I'm already up 7%.
I have never made so much money in the stock market.
I'm up $28,000 since November.
No matter if the markets are up or down, Phil Grandy and the Phil's Gang team put you on the path to making profits in the stock market.
This is Deb from Sarasota.
This is Bill from Miami, Florida.
This is Cora from Hawaii.
Hey, this is Paul from Tampa Bay area. I would highly recommend Phil's Gang to the average retail investor.
I would recommend Phil and Phil's Gang to anyone.
Join thousands of investors and start making profits in the stock market. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or sign up at philsgang.com. Again, 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's philsgang.com. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Okay, jot this down. I got 2 stocks that I'm going to give you. It's going to be in my video tonight. So join the gang. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. 877-600-GANG. Join the gang, and you can start following my video stock tonight, which I'm going to put in UPS. It dropped 22%. We got a 22% discount on UPS. I got another one, ACC, American Campus, and that dropped also 22%. 2 wonderful companies, 2 wonderful stocks. They both are discounted 22%. And we're just starting to see institutions come back and buy them at a discount. I will guide you. You get 3 updates during the day, 3 updates. And also I do emergency alerts in case I want you to put more money in or want you to take money out or just get out totally. So I'm totally babysitting you through this. You haven't got to do a thing. You don't even send me your money. When you buy these stocks, you go online, pick out any online broker you want, and just do your purchase. You need me, go on my video, so I tell you exactly what to do. And just don't go off the reservation. And you'll be fine, and you'll make money. So there's 2 stocks, ACC, UPS, both discounted 22%, and I start my video on that tonight. So here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Okay, now listen to this. Retail, they've been telling us, right, consumers are just so confident. Here's Payne.
I see a consumer out there that's becoming extraordinarily confident enough to go out there and start to spend money.
Yeah, and Kramer agrees.
Well, yeah, that's, you bet.
Right. But that's not what happened. Here he is again. Payne, again out there cheerleading, right? Retail sales dropped for 2 months in a row. Durable goods, the big ticket items, appliances, those sort of things, dropped, falling off a cliff. But that's not what Payne told us. And then this is unbelievable. And then listen to this.
You know, this is the worst possible combination. We're really looking for retail sales to go up, obviously, on this first month impact of the tax cut. People got bigger paychecks this month. If you look at retail sales through January, we had no growth. Now, we should have really seen a really sizable increase this month as all these, you know, tailwinds gave support. The fact that we didn't is incredibly disappointing.
Well, yeah, that's, you bet.
But Payne said the opposite, didn't he? Than this gal.
I see a consumer out there that's becoming extraordinarily confident enough to go out there and start to spend money.
But they're not spending money. He's lying to you. He's not spending money. He's got to get advertiser. He needs Ford Motor Company. He wants Ford Motor Company, GM, to look at him and say, boy, he's a good pitch man. He's a good pitch man. He gets people excited. He'll make people think the economy's doing wonderful. They'll come down to our showrooms. They'll start buying cars. That's what they need. These guys are pitchmen. They're pitchmen. They're like carnies. That's all. That's their job. Make $500,000 a year, get on CNBC and pitch. Maria Bartiromo, the pitch woman. She pitches all the time. On fire. Everything's on fire. It's unbelievable. Her hair should be on fire. It's unbelievable. So this is the problem we're facing. Every day we're getting bad information. Now, Larry Kudlow, who's the worst of them all, the worst, who lost his TV show because of it, he's now going to be giving economic advice to the president. He's going to have his ear. Can you imagine? So let's make some money, take care of ourselves, and then take care of the kids at St. Jude, okay? Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Start with me tonight. I'm going to do videos on 2 stocks, UPS, ACC. Follow those for 1 month. I'm not going to guarantee you the last stock we had over 40%. I'm not going to guarantee you this is going to be 40%. I can't do that. But I can guarantee you this, you're going to have fun. And I can guarantee you at night you're going to sleep, because once you put money in the stock, I'll surely have you out before the stock collapses. You're never going to be sitting in a stock, then it collapsed, and you lost all your money. It's not going to happen. I've never had that happen yet. Unbelievable. So here we got retail sales dropping for 2 months in a row. Durable goods number falling off a cliff. Home sales, mortgage applications are falling to a 10-decade low. Why? Why? Because of higher interest rates, because of the yields. The 10-year Treasury is going up. And remember, the 10-year Treasury is what sets the interest rate on your 30-year mortgage. And the 10-year Treasury rate interests are going up because the people who we borrow money from, like the Chinese, they want more interest. That's why interest rates are going up. And it's killing us. We are paying on our national debt. Terrible interest now. Terrible. Which means there's no money left for building schools, fixing our bridges, no money for research and development. Are you kidding? We have no money left after we pay our interest, and it's going up. But yet we have these guys on TV who cheerlead every day. That's terrible. Refinancing has dropped by 40%, the lowest in 2008, because people can't afford to go and keep these mortgage rates going up. Here, we're going to have 4 more increases. The first one starts this month, in about a week, next Wednesday. And so everybody says, buy the bank stocks, buy the bank stocks. Are you nuts? Buy the bank stocks? Are you nuts? We're going to short them, not buy them. They're not going to make more money. They're going to have more defaults. People can't afford to pay more on their house mortgage. They can't afford to pay more on their credit card, their school loans. They can't pay all those. Businesses can't pay more for inventory. They lines of credit. They just, because people aren't making any more money. Our wages are stagnant. So we got refinancing dropping by 40%, the lowest in 2008. Mortgage applications have fallen to a 10-decade low. Home sales, durable goods, retail sales, down. All down. But yet we have these people telling us how great everything is. Everything is just so wonderful. Are you kidding me? So join my gang. Start with the video stock. Start with that, this group. So you don't have to do anything. Just spend 30 seconds. 30 seconds a day. Is that too much, 30 seconds a day? 30 seconds a day to create value? No. And at least you know you got someone looking out for you. At the end of 30 days, it's all about performance in life. Everything's about performance. Judge people by performance, nothing else. At the end of 30 days, judge my performance. If it's not any good, then get out. That's it. But, you know, the other thing is, take this. Manufacturing. Everybody's talking about manufacturing is coming back. Manufacturing is never going to come back to this country. It's over. Never coming back to this country. Manufacturing production is still down by 4.5% from its high back in 2007. For every 6,000 people we hire for high-paying manufacturing jobs, we lose 76,000 people. Are you nuts? Unbelievable. The tech boom is one of the things that's really hurting. That's right. A lot of, we got to start, never mind sending these kids off to college to get their bachelors and their masters and their PhDs. Send them. Send them to schools, to trade schools. The problem we have in this country, we are not training these kids. We're not training our labor. Everybody goes off and gets a PhD or a doctorate or master's or bachelor. We got to train people to fix an air conditioner. We got jobs. We got so many jobs right now that's available. We have nobody trained for them. Why? Because our CEOs are so greedy. Instead of taking profits and reinvest it into our young workers to train our young workers, they're taking that money and what are they doing with it? They're putting it in their pocket. They're putting it in their pocket for big bonuses, doing stock buybacks. Nothing but a tool used to artificially inflate bottom line earnings per share, which drives the share price higher. It's a fake. It's a fake. And all those stock buybacks, it's just a big accounting trick that the executives, the CEOs use to boost their own bonuses where they're making 333 times what the person on the floor is making. What are you, nuts? This is what's going on in this country because these guys, these CEOs, are too greedy to put money back into training. We got to train our workers. Forget it. You will not see manufacturing coming back in this country ever. We got to train these young people for different kind of jobs, not manufacturing. But these CEOs won't do it. But boy, we're sure quick. Like Cohen gave them a $1.4 trillion discount in their taxes. They don't have to pay that $1.4 trillion in taxes now. Larry Kudlow is going to go and sit next to the president now and tell him, you know how great the economy is? Haven't you seen the green spouts out there on the White House lawn? You haven't seen the green spouts? They're all over, Mr. President. Do this, do that. Look, the things are so great. We're going to be in the middle of a stock market crash, and Larry Kudlow is so stupid he wouldn't even know it. Join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Start with the two stocks tonight with me, UPS and ACC.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom.